School is the first school in the Tarn Taran District to introduce shooting range to the students with a certified mentor to teach them the weapons. We have air rifle and pistol.
Welcome everyone. We are at the shooting range of the British School, the sport which is about discipline, safety and enthusiasm.